everyone. In today's class, just we'll discussing regarding about turning model. Okay, here we are performing here a turning model. Before going to perform this turning model, first we have to know this turning model is can be performed with the help of machine tool. Okay, we are going to use a machine tool, that is by using lathe machine. Okay, the machine tools, first we will define the machine tool. Machine tool is nothing but it is a device in which the energy is utilized to get the shape the product shaped into a product by removing the axis of material. Okay, and again here we are performing the turning operations. Okay, now in this to make the turning model, we require some here tools and equipments we require. Okay, what are the tools we are going to use here? That is the vernier caliper, turning tool, undercutting tool, center drill with chuck key, revolving center, box spanner, and double-ended spanner, chuck key. These are the tools we are going to use to performing the lathe model. And just here we have the tools. Just I will show you one by one. Now here we can say this is here the vernier. Now here first we come for first the model. Okay. Now this is your actual original workpiece. Here the workpiece we are having a size here. The workpiece size is how much here? Diameter is 25 mm and the length of the workpiece is 105. This is your, before we are performing the turning operations, this is your original workpiece. After performing with the help of lathe machine, this is your end product. Okay, means in this what are the operations we are performing here? Here we are doing facing, center drilling, plane turning, taper turning and undercutting operations. Okay, for to perform this we use here, we can use here vernier caliper. Here we have vernier caliper. We are going to use here vernier caliper. Why we are going to use this vernier caliper? To measure the diameter of the given workpiece, diameter and the length of the workpiece. Next here we have a cutting tool. This we have already purchased this cutting tool. We can call it is a CT tool or we can call it as carbide tool. It's having only a single tip, which we can call as single point cutting tool. Next here we are using the next equipment. This one we can call as undercutting tool. Okay, and next here we can call as this is a center drill bit. Okay, and next here this is revolving tool, revolving center. Okay, and next here we are going to use the one more tool. Here we have box spanner. We can call it as a box spanner, where in the lathe tool post we are mounting the single point cutting tool. It can be tightened with the help of this box spanner. Okay, and again here we have the two spanners. One is having 14 bar. Here we are having that is 14 bar 15, and the one more is 24 bar 26. Okay, and next here one more tool we are going to use. This is a chuck key, where we are placing the workpiece in the 3-jaw chuck. It can be tightened with the help of this chuck key. Okay, these are the tools and equipments we are going to use to perform that turning model. That is vernier caliper, turning tool, undercutting tool, center drill, revolving center, box spanner and double-ended spanner, chuck key. These are the tools we require to perform the turning model. Next, after that, what are the operations we are going to perform in this turning model? Here we perform a facing operation, center drilling operation, plane turning, undercutting, taper turning and the chamfering operation. You can see here. Here we are going to do here a facing operation. Means facing operation means the single point cutting tool, it should be moved perpendicular to the lathe axis to get the flat face. Next here we are going to do center drill, plane turning means removing the axis of material here, and taper turning and undercutting operations. If you want to perform this taper turning, we require we have to calculate the taper angle. Okay, what is the formula to calculate taper angle? Here we have it. That is taper angle is tan theta is equals to capital D minus small d divided by 2L. Okay, here capital D is nothing but the major diameter, small d is nothing but minor diameter, L is nothing but this is length of the taper. Okay, now we will calculate here a taper angle, how much we will get. Okay, we will say here this is theta is equals to tan inverse of capital D, major diameter, how much he has given? 24. That is 24 minus minor diameter, how much he has given? This is 19. Okay, divided by 2 into L. Length of the taper is how much? 25 mm. This is where I write 25. Then here we get, if we equate all these values, then 24 minus 19 is how much? 5. 2 into means 5 by 50 is how much? 0.1. write here tan inverse of 0.1. If you equate here, we will get the taper angle as 5.71 degree. This is your a taper angle. If you are converting the adjustment, we will get a taper shape, means in the form of conical shape. Okay, and already you know here we are using here the raw material as that is mild steel. Okay, thank you. Again, it will be continued in your by using the lathe machine.